Welcome back to Tech Innovations with Dr. T. Today we have a real-life tech disaster causing panic and frustration for businesses using Windows computers. Thousands and thousands of travelers have been stranded and stuck at airports internationally. Patients couldn't receive services at some hospitals. Some banks were unable to operate or provide services. Many businesses struggle to provide services to their customers. Imagine this. You are in the middle of a critical task. Your Windows system is running smoothly. And then bam, your screen flickers. Strange errors appear. And your system crashes. What just happened? It's called the blue screen of death. The blue screen errors can occur if a serious problem causes Windows to shut down or restart unexpectedly. You might see a message that says Windows has shut down to prevent damages to your computer or something similar to that. Yes, this is real. It's happening and it happened. A faulty update from CrowdStrike led to a major incident where numerous Microsoft Windows machines worldwide experienced the blue screen of death. At airports, at hospitals, at hotels, at banks, that happened. What happens is CrowdStrike released a faulty update for Windows systems, which included a defective driver file. This issue forced affected computers into a continuous boot loop, rendering them unusable. The incident caused widespread disruptions across various sectors, including airports, banks, hospitals, emergency services. When it comes to computers or information systems, it's usually a matter of when and not if we will be hacked. It's going to happen someday, whether we like it or not. So we always have to be prepared. And think that it's not always going to be a cyber attack. It could be a problem like the one we saw today, where a faulty update caused damage, caused disruptions across companies, across industry, worldwide. So if you're a business providing critical services or just any business trying to keep your services up and running all the time, why should you rely on one operating system? Why should you just use Windows or Linux or Macs? Why should a bank, hospitals, or other businesses rely on one operating system or one platform for their entire infrastructure? That's information security 101. That shouldn't happen. By the way, Windows is not a terrible operating system, but you shouldn't rely on it alone. Have a mix of Windows, Linux, and other operating systems on your platform. That's how to roll in order to be better prepared. So for the average person or small business that does not have a dedicated IT team, make sure to follow the steps that CrowdStrike provided today. So if you're a business running critical services or running many computers, it is highly recommended to diversify your tech stack. For example, why should an airport rely solely on Windows systems? Why should banks, hospitals, and other businesses rely on one operating system or one platform for their entire infrastructure? Always stay prepared for recovery when issues like this happen, as it's essential to have a plan in place to quickly bounce back and minimize disruptions. Note that scammers may take advantage of this situation. In fact, they will take advantage of this situation. For example, presenting to be Microsoft or CrowdStrike tech support. Microsoft and CrowdStrike will not call individual users to provide solutions. So hang up if somebody calls you claiming to be a tech support from Microsoft or CrowdStrike. Even if Microsoft or CrowdStrike wanted to provide you tech support, they don't have the capacity to do that. So do not fall prey to scammers who will use different social engineering tactics to steal from you. Beware, criminals will always seek to exploit this global outage and steal personal information, steal account credentials, and even other valuable information that you may have. Be safe out there. Please do me a favor and subscribe, like, share, and leave comments. Thank you.